My name is Allison Merten, and I am the owner and founder of Allison Merten Editing and Tutoring, LLC. Thank you for joining me for today's episode of Learn English with Allison Merten. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make a doctor's appointment. When you call the doctor's office, the receptionist will say something like, "Hello, Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?" You should say, "I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Smith." The receptionist will ask, "What do you need to see the doctor for?" You should describe your problem. For example, "I have a high fever," or "I am having back pain." The receptionist will say something like, "The doctor has an opening today at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?" If it does, say, "Yes, thank you." If not, say, "No, when is his or her next opening?" Now you know how to make a doctor's appointment. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about using irregular verbs in the past progressive tense. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please press the like button and share with your friends. If you have a topic that you would like to learn, please post it in the comments below. If you would like to learn more English, please subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn English with me, one-on-one, please contact me at www.allisonmertenet.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.